Chatterjee was in his office sitting idle as there were no new cases to investigate.
Master Ji, I don't like this at all. What is that you don't like at all, Sardi? No matter how great detective you are, how many cases have you solved? You still didn't get any recognition you deserve. We have now is enough. Why more? What do you mean by that? If you get good recognition, we will have better chances of getting big cases. Let's think about it later. Firstly, let a few new cases come over. Cases won't come to us if we sit here and wait, sir. Let us go out and find cases ourselves. Is it, Sardi? Yes, master. Come, let's go and search ourselves.
The two arrive at the police station looking for new cases, where SI Avinash is sitting holding his head in his hands, unable to solve a dispute between two groups. Chatterjee went in and greeted Avinash.
Hello, Mr. Avinash. Seems like you are struggling with something.
Oh, Mr. Chatterjee, please come. It's been many days since our last meeting.
What to do to then? We are wandering in a search of new cases, as there is no work.
Oh well, there are many pending cases if you are willing to take up. Firstly, please have a look at this case.
Saying this, he pulls out a file and shows it to Chatterjee.
The thing is, a bike hit an auto on the road number 16. The boy on the bike was dead. The boy relatives say that the auto driver was drunk and hit the bike. And the auto driver relatives say that the boy on the bike was drunk and drove recklessly and hit the auto himself. They claim that the boy didn't even turn on headlights. Now the problem is that we are unable to find the alcohol percentage in the blood samples of the duo, as it's been long since we got the information. I am unable to solve this and was thinking about what to do.
Okay, I will take care of it. Go and have some tea, Avinash.
Avinash feels relaxed and goes to have some tea. Chatterjee called the auto driver.
At what speed are you driving at that time of accident? I am driving at the speed of 40, sir. I never exceeded that limit of 40.
Chatterjee nodded his head and asked the constable beside him to show the auto and bike that were in an accident. Chatterjee, after examining the whole thing very carefully, come into the station again and scrutinized the file related to the case with Avinash, who had just arrived there.
This auto driver is lying, Mr. Avinash. You can arrest him undoubtedly.
Avinash was surprised.
We have been struggling for the 2 days with this case, and you have given a conclusion by time I drank a tea?
Chatterjee smiled and started explaining.
Firstly, when I asked the auto driver how fast he was driving at that time of accident, he said it was 40. As you see in the auto, the insertion of axle thread in the engine doesn't happen if he was driving at the speed of 40. For this to happen, the minimum speed should be at least 70. That means the auto driver lied. Secondly, as registered in the file, the boy was coming from the road number 13 and auto driver was coming from the road number 18. Both of them had an accident on road number 16. There is not even one liquor store between road number 13 to 16. And there are 2 liquor stores between road number 18 and 16. And the smell of the liquor is still fresh in the auto cabin even now. That means it is auto driver who drank and not the boy. Thirdly, tungsten is the element used in the headlights of the vehicle. Tungsten turns to ashes when it comes to contact with oxygen while the light is on. That is why headlights are covered with the glass. As you can see, the tungsten in the bike headlight turned into ash. That means the boy was driving the bike with the headlights on. So the conclusion is, the auto driver was drunk and drove the auto at the speed of 70 km per hour and dashed the bike recklessly.
As soon as Chatterjee finished saying that, everyone listening there started clapping for his intelligence.
Awesome, Mr. Chatterjee. You can be very helpful for our department. From tomorrow, let's reopen the unsolved case and do justice to all the victims.
Chatterjee and Sardi walked out of the station.
Didn't I tell you, master, that if we approach ourselves, you will get the recognition you deserve. Fame will come to you.
Chatterjee smiled.
True, Sardi. Let's work harder from tomorrow. Sure, master.
And the two went back to their office happily.